Hi there, my name is Dr. Ralph. I am an unpaid intern and I love physics. Today, I am going to teach you about relative velocity. Much closer now. Don't you think life is a matter of perspective? Whether you're gonna be happy or sad, it all depends if you count your blessings and if you think that what you have is enough. Well, perspectives are important, and so are they in physics. Okay, so what is relative velocity? As its name implies, relative velocity is the velocity of an object with respect to another object. Still don't get it yet? Well, let me help you with that. Imagine this. Now you're sitting on a stadium in an arena watching a Formula Car 1 race. Now this car is going 200 miles per hour. With respect to the Earth and with respect to you, since you're just stationary and just going along the Earth, its relative velocity to you, with respect to you, is its actual speed of 200 miles per hour. Now, I'll raise a question. What does its velocity appear to be with respect to its competitors? Let's say there is a slower car that's just going 190 miles per hour. Now for that slower car, the relative velocity of the faster car with respect to the slower one will just be 10 miles per hour. Now, this relative velocity of 10 miles per hour doesn't mean that there is a 10-mile gap instantaneously. This means that as an hour passes by, there will eventually be a 10-mile gap between them, with the faster one leading. And for the succeeding hours, there will be additional 10-mile gaps. How about another example? It's a different situation. You're in a hot air balloon and it's floating up the sky. And just right in front of you, you can see another guy doing the same. Now these hot air balloons, let's say they're on the same level as each other. And they're just floating there, staying at the same altitude. Out of nowhere, a strong wind strikes. You didn't know you were informed that there was a typhoon. Basically, one of your balloons got blown away. Your balloon is being blown at a rate of 100 kilometers per hour, while the other guy's balloon is being blown at 120 kilometers per hour. Since both of you are going to the same direction, being blown by the wind, the relative velocity of the balloon faster than yours with respect to you is 20 kilometers per hour. Well, for him, since he's going forward and you appear to be going backwards, the relative velocity of your balloon with respect to the other guy is negative 20 kilometers per hour. From both of the given situations, we can figure out the formula in getting the relative velocity. Let's say we have object A and object B. So, to get the relative velocity of object A with respect to B, we get the velocity of object A and subtract it to object B's velocity. And to get the relative velocity of object B with respect to object A, we get object B's velocity minus the velocity of object A.
It's that simple. Thank you for watching.